Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on ONG. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that ONG broke out a very big falling wedge pattern on a 7 day time frame chart, and this was one of those videos. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that the price line is moved more up, and right now it is trying to break out this long-term resistance of 65 cents that had been previously working as a very strong support here for several months. Before that, it had been breaking as a support here, and after the breakdown, it was flipped into a very strong resistance. You can see we got rejection here, we got another rejection here, we had a long spike here up to 65 cents, but could not break it out. And this is the second week right now. You can see it is struggling to break out this resistance. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that we got several ejections by this resistance, and still the price line of ONG is trying to break out this 65 cents resistance. And if we take a look at this Ichimoku bearish cloud resistance, then you can see that it has successfully broken out this very long-term hurdle and resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. Therefore, now it can also work as a strong support for the price line of ONG. But there is another very long-term resistance on the way of ONG, and that is this up trend line resistance. You can see that we got several ejections. We got rejection here, a few more rejections here, and almost 4 or 5 more rejections here, and one more touch point we are having here as well. And here we got the support of this channel, and this is the formation of a very big up channel. And right now the price is trying to break out the resistance of the channel and this resistance of 65 cents at the same time. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I shared. So let's start analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for ONG that I shared, by the way, on 24th of November 2023 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal setup, a harmonic bullish reversal Garter pattern that ONG formed with Bitcoin pair on a daily time frame chart. And this was a complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell target line and the stop loss. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then started a very nice bullish reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And this was almost 60% pump on this daily time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signal for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description. You can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of ONG. And this is the weekly time frame chart. And previously you can see that since after the month of March 2021, it was moving inside this quite long-term falling wedge pattern. And when the movement was quite squeezed inside this wedge, in those days I've been telling you that now it can soon break out this pattern. And after breaking out this wedge, this long-term downtrend will be finished and a long-term uptrend can be started. And now if I place this measurement tool from this though, when we were testing the support of the wedge last time here, and we were also testing the support, a quite long-term support of 20 cents as well, that had been previously working as a resistance here, support here, and support here, and support here as well. And if I place a measurement tool here, then you can see that so far it has rallied more than 266%, but could not break out this long-term resistance of 65 cents. This is another very long-term resistance. You can see that previously for several months it had been breaking as a support here, and resistance here, and now it is again breaking as a very strong resistance. By the way, during this rally we have also broken out this quite long-term resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. You can see we got several ejections, and now it can work as a support in case the price line moves down after this rejection by the resistance of the channel and 65 cents resistance. If the price line moves down, then it can test the support of Ichimoku bearish cloud and can also test the support of the channel together, and therefore it will be difficult for the price line to break down the support of the channel. However, in case of breaking down the channel, it can drop down here. The target for the breakdown will be here at the bottom of the channel. That will be again at 20 cents. And if the price line breaks out the resistance of this channel, in that situation, target to the upside can be here. That will be approximately at $1.52. And in that situation, we can also break out this very long-term resistance of 95 cents as well. And if we take a look at the previous history of this next resistance of 95 cents, then we can see that It has been working as a very strong resistance here and support here and resistance here as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance. And the final target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, that move is, by the way, still due. That is here at the top of the wedge. That can be between $3.30 to $3.50. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.